Finally, the CMF Phone 2 Pro is set to launch today at 6:30 p.m. IST, and anticipation is at an all-time high. Building upon the success of its predecessor, this new model promises significant upgrades in design, performance, and user experience. As the second smartphone under the CMF brand by nothing, the CMF Phone 2 Pro also marks the introduction of the first Pro model in the lineup, signaling a major step forward for the company. Here is everything you need to know about the CMF Phone 2 Pro. One of the standout features of the CMF Phone 2 Pro is its triple rear camera setup, a first for the CMF lineup. According to Nothing, this phone aims to deliver the best triple camera experience in its price range on Flipkart, with a focus on capturing light, depth, and detail like never before. The camera system includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with a large 1x1.57-inch size, which stands out as the biggest in its segment. Alongside that, there's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens offering a 119.5-degree field of view. And for the first time in this category, a 50-megapixel 2x telephoto lens is being introduced. This setup marks a major leap from the CMF Phone 1, which only had a dual-camera system with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The company has confirmed the processor of the device. The phone will come with a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro chipset, offering better performance than last year's CMF Phone 1. With this upgrade, users can expect up to 10% faster CPU performance and around 5% better graphics, thanks to improved AI processing supported by MediaTek's 6th-generation NPU. Orange, green, white, and black models. It's clear that CMF is focused on giving users more ways to personalize and enhance their devices. According to the latest teasers, Nothing is increasing the interchangeable hardwares, and it looks really interesting. The phone will feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, curved edges for a more premium look, and a large 5,000 mAh battery. It will likely ship with Nothing OS 3.1 based on Android 15, giving users the latest software experience right out of the box. What really stands out is that this phone will include a charger in the box. In today's market, where even premium brands like Apple and Samsung sell flagship phones without a charger, this move is worth appreciating, especially at a price point of around $250. With strong specs, smart software, and thoughtful additions like the inbox charger, CMF seems to be setting a new standard for budget smartphones. What do you think about this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. AI-powered Essential Space. This feature was first introduced with the Nothing Phone 3A series on March 4th and will now also be available on the CMF Phone 2 Pro. What makes it even more convenient is the inclusion of a dedicated button placed right next to the power key, which will activate this feature instantly. It's similar to Apple's Action button found in the latest iPhones, but Nothing has refined it further by infusing AI-powered features. The Essential Space is designed to act like a smart memory. It can automatically gather and recall important data like screenshots, photos, and voice notes using AI. This makes it much easier to access your important files without having to dig through folders. The feature will also come with something called Smart Collections, which will sort your content, whether it's text, images, or audio, into neat categories on its own. This removes the need to manually organize everything and saves a lot of time. Phone is going to be priced around $300, competing with other phones like Motorola Edge Stylus 60, which is recently launched in the same $300 price range. So if CMF wants to grab users' attention, they really need to make it worth the hype. Furthermore, the excitement doesn't stop there. CMF is also using the April 28th launch event to introduce a new range of audio products, including the CMF Buds 2, Buds 2A, and Buds 2 Plus. With so much innovation lined up, CMF is definitely making sure that this launch is one fans won't want to miss. With its combination of innovative features, improved performance, and thoughtful design, the CMF Phone 2 Pro is poised to make a significant impact in the mid-range smartphone market. As the launch event unfolds, tech enthusiasts and consumers alike eagerly await the opportunity to experience what CMF by Nothing has to offer. What are your thoughts about the CMF Phone 2? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.